Snow on the ground with these all these white rocks that I think are perhaps limestone. As we have left Elliston, we are now heading to Portland. On the Portland road anyway, we might get to Portland. What you might see in the snowfield, simply rocks and that stuff. But oh my God, how would you possibly farm this place? Like a rock farm. No. What about the rockery? Did I tell you about the dry stone walls? There's some over there we're passing. Couldn't imagine a better use for all these rocks. As far as the eye can see on to the left, somehow stuff grows in between the rocks. Fair bit of water over there too. In the early days, folks used to divide their paddocks off with what are called today dry stone walls. Required a particular skill in order to build them so that they stood up for a very long time in these pristine lakes. Here to our left as well. Can't remember seeing that before, but maybe that's the runoff because the hard rock water doesn't soak in when it rains. Opportunity it says. Oh, there's that little. I'm going to slow down here. There's no traffic behind me. But here's a little. I think it's a stagecoach inn or something like that. That was on our journey on another occasion. Lovely little cottage. A lot of water. That was never here when I last through. I don't remember. That extensive. Since found out that the expanse of water over there is Lake Hamilton. And upon reflection, we believe that little inn back there was also called
triangular park.
What is that?
Not sure we can bring it. Oh, it's driving. Family friendly meeting point, which includes barbecues, picnic, clearing, etc.
Here.
Oh, I'm just reading about it, I don't know what it is.
Doesn't have directions. On the other side of the railway tracks right now. Jesus Street.
That one? No, it's here.
There's the truck.
I'll go tractors and stuff. No, I don't.
Tractors. Can't see it.
Well, it's supposed to be, you know.
New tractors.
Try that much stuff. Something amazing.
Over there in the distance is the renowned Smoky Bay tourist mecca. This section of the and we're not going there this time. We're going to kind of backtrack a bit. We're going to go south.